Welcome back. Today's focus is on mastering the handling of null and undefined in TypeScript, two primitive values that can lead to common errors in programming if not managed correctly. We'll explore how TypeScript helps us safeguard our applications from these potential pitfalls. Null and undefined in TypeScript represent the absence of a value and an uninitialized variable, respectively. While they can be troublesome, TypeScript provides tools to manage them effectively. By default, TypeScript allows null and undefined to be assigned to any type, which can be risky. However, you can configure TypeScript to be strict about these assignments. Enabling strict null checks in your TypeScript configuration makes the type system more robust by preventing null and undefined from being assigned to variables unless explicitly declared. With strict null checks, TypeScript forces you to handle null and undefined, significantly reducing runtime errors related to these values. To explicitly allow null and undefined, you can use union types. This approach lets you define variables that can legally hold null or undefined values. Here, user can be a string or null, and amount can be a number or undefined, giving you flexibility while maintaining type safety. TypeScript also supports optional chaining and Nullish coalescing, modern features that help you write cleaner code when dealing with nullable types. Optional chaining prevents errors by returning undefined if the data is nullish. Nullish coalescing provides a default value if the left-hand side is null or undefined. Utilizing strict null checks, union types, optional chaining, and nullish coalescing equips you to handle null and undefined gracefully. These practices not only safeguard your applications, but also ensure that they are resilient and reliable. If you found this tutorial helpful, you can get the complete course on Udemy, where you will find code assignments, quizzes, and more detailed lessons to enhance your TypeScript skills. The link is in the description below. Check it out and take your learning to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. See you in the next video.